the Director, World Heritage Division of UNESCO, Mr. Lazar, government of Uganda officials, the UNESCO team, which we have been very glad to host, Uganda Kingdom officials, the Kasubi Royal Tomb Restoration Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to Mengo Palace, although I'd like to prefer my apologies for the discomfort that you have suffered, but as it has been said, this is also a blessing. So maybe it's a mixed blessing. We are very grateful for the wonderful relationship. This relationship has enabled Buganda to showcase our cultural heritage potential to Africa and beyond. We are all aware that in 2001, Kasubi Royal Tombs was promoted to an international heritage site status. This status attracted many people from all over the world to visit and conduct research about our kingdom. At the same time, it promoted the Kasubi Royal Tombs in particular. We highly value this relationship, which has contributed to Uganda Kingdom's visibility, and we commit to uphold it. The 2010 fire that destroyed the Kasubi tombs did not only cause unceasing psychological trauma on our people, but also impacted on the economic well-being of our local population that used to offer services to the tourists and other people visiting the royal tombs. Despite the fact that at times we live and operate in times of political and economic uncertainties, we get hope when assistance from an organization like UNESCO and our other partners who value the positive contribution of culture in modern times also come our way. As Uganda Kingdom and elsewhere in Africa, we have a strong belief that culture and development are inseparable. Suffocating people's cultural heritage in any form has diverse effects. It has diverse effects on the socio-economic advancement of the people. It is against God's master plan, who created people in a particular geographical environment, but with diverse cultural heritage. I wish, therefore, to commend UNESCO for the relentless technical and financial support provided during the restoration of the Kasubi Royal Tombs. I also commend the kind support from the people and the government of Japan for donating the state-of-the-art fire extinguisher technology, which will help to avert future fire occurrences. We also thank the government of Uganda for providing financial resources and other logistics. I would like to appeal that since most of the general cultural works have been completed and the international standard checklist followed to the letter, that UNESCO considers revisiting the status quo of the Kasubi Royal Tombs, currently listed under the UNESCO property in danger to revert to its international heritage site status of 2001. We shall appreciate when this appeal is tabled, discussed, and positively considered during the September 2023 UNESCO meeting in Saudi Arabia. I commend the Kasubi Tombs Restoration Committee, led by OHT Kadduchiveru, for their excellent work. And I'd like to leave you with a special thanks to Mr. Lazar for his heartening and inspiring words, which we very much appreciate. Therefore, from Mengo Palace and from a very wet speech, I say goodbye, thank you, and farewell.